Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You should already be signed into YouTube. Once done, open the YouTube app or website. Tap your profile icon to access settings because the theme switch lives there. Make sure your app or browser is updated so the dark option appears. If you prefer a system-level change, enable device dark mode first. Otherwise, proceed to YouTube-specific settings. Starting here avoids extra steps later and ensures the dark theme will apply correctly to your current session. Now you enable the theme. On mobile, tap Profile, then Settings, then Appearance and pick Dark. On desktop, click your profile and select Appearance followed by Dark Theme. You do this because YouTube stores the preference per device or account, so choose Use Device Theme if you want it to follow your operating system. Make sure to confirm. Once selected, the interface changes immediately, reducing glare and improving battery on OLED screens. If you use multiple devices, finalize by refreshing the page or restarting the app so all UI elements render in dark mode. If the setting doesn't persist, clear the app or browser cache, or sign out and sign back in to force YouTube to save your preference. Make sure no browser extensions or accessibility tools are overriding colors. Disable them temporarily to test. If problems continue, update the app or OS and try again. This usually resolves compatibility issues and ensures the dark theme behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.